Good morning, all of you. A warm well wish of Navaratri from Care Foundation. Today's main headlines are heavy rainfall in Himachal Pradesh, Sirmaur. Sirmaur has been receiving heavy to heavy rainfall since last 3-4 days. As many as 7 people died in a landslide in the district on Monday. The incessant rainfall resulted in a lot of damage. Around 120 roads have been blocked in the state, while 90 transformers have been damaged due to heavy rainfall. People have been advised not to go out until necessary. Landslides and flash floods have hit parts of Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, and northeastern states due to heavy rains, leaving roads blocked and people stranded. JioPhone 5G tipped to cost under 12,000. Here is when it may launch in India. Reliance's most anticipated affordable 5G phone is yet to be announced, but ahead of that, the smartphone's pricing details have surfaced online. According to a report, the phone may cost under rupees 12,000, but the exact pricing remains unclear. If true, this would make Reliance Jio's 5G phone, rumored to be called JioPhone 5G, one of the most affordable 5G enabled smartphones in India. Previously, it was speculated that the device would cost under rupees 10,000 in the country. NASA successfully crashes dirt spacecraft into asteroid Dimorphos. NASA's DART means Double Asteroid Redirection Test spacecraft successfully crashed into the asteroid Dimorphos on September 27. The DART mission intentionally crashed on an asteroid to test a unique defense technology. The crash aimed at giving Earth a defense tool against future asteroids headed our way. NASA tweeted, "Impact success. Watch from DART mission's Draco camera as the vending machine sized spacecraft successfully collides with asteroid Dimorphos, which is the size of a football stadium and poses no threat to Earth." That's all for today. Thank you and have a good day.